My name is Nasa Bemis and our business is Precision Calibrations, and we have finally reached the top of Google. It took us about 6 months to get here, and we've actually been maintaining this position for about a year now, but the growth that has come with it is absolutely unbelievable and much more than we expected. We're now people's very first call when they're looking for local calibration services, and that has given us opportunity to expand our business into things that we were not doing before, as well as maintain the growth. So we are growing wildly, and I truly believe it's because we are at the very top right now. So it pays to be at the top.
Hello, my name's John Cook. I own a countertop business in Spencer, Indiana. The name's Quality Surfaces. I would say our sales in the last 6 months are up roughly 30% over last year. So definitely a good thing.
Hey guys, I'm Seth with Tip Top K9 Oklahoma City, and we've been at the top of Google, and it's greatly affected our business. Every time I do a consultation, 95% of them say that the way they found us was by doing a Google search, and we were the #1 that showed up with the highest reviews. And it didn't take that long. Took us a couple months to get to the first page, and then a couple months to move up to the middle of the page, and a couple months to go all the way up to the top, and we're just sitting pretty at the top. So we love it.
Hi, my name is Christina Nemus. I'm the owner and operator of Angel's Touch Auto Body and Detailing in Bourne, Massachusetts. We have been working with Thrive and their coaching for, say, 8 to 9 months, and it took us about 6 months, 5 to 6 months to get on the top of Google, and with their help with the website and marketing, and the SEO and retargeting ads with Google, and it has been phenomenal. We just have light and day business coming in, phone calls coming in, walk-ins, referrals. It's just through the roof, and we couldn't be happier. At the moment, we are up 50% this year from the previous year, and not only is that part of our own hard work and diligence, but also with the help of Thrive and what they've done for us and getting us on the top of Google, and all their knowledge and coaching. And yeah, so super grateful, super pumped to see what the future holds for all of us. Thank you.